Hi, welcome to Tamara's Palace. So today I'm going to be showing you how to secure your crinoline. This is the hem of my dress. It's a mommy dress, and what I just did was sew with about half inch with the crinoline on the hem there. I already added about 3 inches allowance there, and then at the side seams, the seams I've already sewn, I just sewed a straight line to secure that crinoline to tell it that okay, you'll be inside. You see the other parts of the crinoline, I did not sew anything down, but only at that side seam that I did that. So look at it, I sewed into the line. It looks invisible this way. So I did it. The dress initially had three lines, the two side seams and then one seam at the back. Yeah, so yes, this is it too. I sewed it down there just to secure it and to tell that crinoline that well, you're supposed to be inside, so don't ruin my parade. Then off camera, I also put in what's it called, hemming gum, so that it's also going to help it to stay down before I started ironing. So that's another tip that you could use, but I do not like to put the hemming gum like all round. I just pieces it so in few places to hold it down. It doesn't hold it down fully, but like it does a reasonable amount of work. And then I just iron. So that sparkle thing that you're seeing there is called a clapper. If you're watching most of my ironing videos, you're going to see that I've been using this clapper, and it helps to secure your what you've ironed down. It helps to cool it down in place, like it cools your ironing down in place, so you just see the effect. It's really nice. Like, well, try and get a wooden stuff like this. Please subscribe for more short tips like this on sewing, because I will be posting more, and you can drop your comment on more tips that you'd like to see. Thank you. Have a nice day.